from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the one.
Good morning, guys. So I figured today we're gonna vlog because we're going to the new house today. This morning I was able to read a little bit of a book, have my coffee, and then Lucas woke up, so we had breakfast. Haven't done much other than that, just kind of hanging out with him. I was doing my makeup and my husband told me that he was dropping off some tacos. Stopped doing my makeup. He dropped off the food I'm gonna eat right now. And then I figured later I can show you guys how I do or have been doing my makeup. It's nothing special. The car's already packed away with the things that we're taking because like I said, we're not moving officially until June. So every weekend that we get to go, we just take things that we don't need at the apartment and just kind of do a slow move. We already got our sectionals, so I'm gonna eat and then I'll show you guys how I do my makeup. Oh my god, those tacos were delicious. I asked for 2, but I should have gotten at least 3 because they were so good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use and then I'll just apply it with some music in the background. See, I don't think I'm gonna do foundation, but I'll show you guys what I use. This is the foundation that I've been using, the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but they're sheer long wear makeup. So it's very sheer. It is amazing. And I have the shade 4N1 Shell Beige, and it's a perfect match. They do have one, I think it's a 4W, so if you want something warmer, but I feel like this one, if you're near my skin tone, I think you would like. I've been setting my face with this one. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Let me turn the light on. I don't know if it'll make a difference. So this is nice. It's not shimmery. It's supposed to be like a light reflecting powder though, so it doesn't make you look completely matte. I think this is the medium shade. Yeah, it's the medium shade. I've been loving these two. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then this is the Tarte Lashes. Right now I have on my eyebrows the L'Oreal Brow Stylist. This one is in the shade Brunette, but I also use dark brunette on occasion, and I already have them on. As far as blush, Gen Nude Bare Minerals. This one is in the color Pink Me Up. It's very pretty. If you like NARS Orgasm, I think this one is more of like an understated version of it where it's not overly shimmery. It's not gonna make you look like a disco ball, but if you like that peachy tone, like a peachy pink tone, I think you'll like this one. I always do wear concealer. This is the one that I've been really enjoying. That's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have it in the shade Medium Sand and it's perfect. Here it is. I don't know when I took this out. I wear this under my eyes because mom life, under eye circles. This is like a corrector. Some days I just wear this and nothing else. Oh, well, I'll set it with a powder, but it's like a salmon color corrector that's really gonna get rid of like darkness. Now, I don't have a lot of darkness, but I do have some, and so this takes care of it. It's from Bobbi Brown and I love it. If I think of something else at the end, I'll show you what I use, but for now I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna clean my beauty blender because it's kind of dirty, but this one is the e.l.f. All Total Complete something sponge. I can't remember what it's called, but it's this right here.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are.
But the only thing I didn't share before I started was this quad. This one, you don't need it, but I do use it a lot for the black liner. I like to put it like kind of like tight line in the eyes, and then I just use the gold one for like the whole lid. So that's one. And then I'm about to finish off the lips with this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. It's so moisturizing. My lips and even my face, like I've been attacking my face. Every time I suffer from anxiety, my face just gets the worst of it. So this is the color Coconut. And you just click it from the bottom and it comes up. If you click too much, then you just gotta use it up because it doesn't go all the way down. I love it. So that's all the makeup that I did today. Very simple, close and personal. I do have a cup that I want to share with you guys. It's like kind of like a hyper chiller to go, which is very interesting. I shared it on Instagram, so if you saw on Instagram or you follow me there, then you already saw it. But I am very excited to use it because it's kind of like a hyper chiller. You'll see once we get going. I'm gonna have to make some coffee for the way there, and you'll see what I think about it. All right, so this is the cup that I was talking to you guys about earlier. So the whole premise of this thing is you take this portion out and it's already frozen, but before it freezes, you can actually hear the water inside. So once it's frozen, you put your coffee in there and it's supposed to make it cold without watering it down. Iced coffee. It says that you don't need ice at all. At first I was like, that's a small container, like nothing's gonna fit. I think it's 11 ounces, but you don't need any ice. I'm gonna do the gingerbread pod. I haven't had this one in a long time, so I'm gonna brew this one. I'm just gonna put creamer. So if you use your iced coffee with milk, then it might not work because I don't think there's any room for milk. But I usually like these bigger cups with creamer. So this is just the Chobani vanilla coffee creamer. Put the straw in and press down. It closes. So I'm gonna leave it be. It already feels cold, even through the double wall casing. So I kind of want to try it now though. I'm gonna try it now. Wow, it already feels cold. So I could imagine it's gonna get really, really cold. We got here yesterday and we've just been resting. Sergio ended up putting the blinds that we got from Overstock, so they're up. I don't know if you guys can see them, but those are it right there. I'll link them in the description box because a few of you guys saw them on Instagram and have been asking me where I got them, so I'll link them in the description for those of you guys that are interested. But we just got our couch in, or our sectional, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks. Sergio is actually taking these little pegs off the legs because we don't like them, so I'll show you guys. Hold on one second. It's just kind of like a sectional with an ottoman and a chase, and so we could put those on either end and we'll have like a nice way to like kick up our feet, watch the TV. Our TV also got shipped today. It's right here. It's like one of those frame TVs. It's gonna go up on that end. So we're ordering an ottoman and we're gonna put it obviously here. This is an ottoman and obviously it goes with the couch, but I think we're gonna put like a little end table on that corner. And then the ottoman that I wanted to order is like a leather camel colored ottoman, just to add a little bit more texture. So let me know what you guys think about that, but it'll go right here. I didn't want to do a coffee table. I just want this area to be like very inviting, cozy. Just come in and jump on the couch and relax. And I feel like if there's a place for your feet all throughout the couch, that'll be very cozy. And like I said, this is from Costco. It's their Raylan sectional. It was relatively inexpensive and I love the color. I love the texture of it. I feel like it's going to be very easy to clean. I don't know if it'll focus on the fabric, but that's what it looks like up close. All right, this portion of today's video is sponsored by Caraway. They were kind enough to send me their complete line of cookware that they have. And I've actually been wanting to try their cookware. So when they agreed to work with me, I was super stoked. So Caraway is known for their 100% non-toxic cookware. It's a safer alternative to non-stick toxic cookware that is out there. So that's really nice to know, especially because we're using these items every day to cook for our families, our babies. So this is something that I was really wanting for my next cookware, especially now that we're in this new house. I wanted a whole new set, but wanted to have something that was a little safer for our family. And what's nice is that they have like this like organization thing that's also included. So if you buy their full set, they give you the organization for their pans and then their lids. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you guys everything that comes in the box, and then we're gonna cook with it and see what we think about like the non-stick. I have the hardest time finding like a very good non-stick cookware, so I'm just hoping that this one really works out. So let's open it up. What's nice about Caraway is that their cookware comes in a variety of colors. I ended up picking out the color Pericotta. Can you believe it? My kitchen is pretty much all white, neutral colors. So I wanted to pick something that is gonna add a little bit of spice and fun to the kitchen. So I thought this color was perfect. In this set, you get a fry pan, a saucepan, a saute pan, and a Dutch oven, along with 3 lids. You also get the organizers, and the organizers are magnetic, so you can rearrange the pans however you like, however it fits your needs, and you can display them either on the counter or you can display them in a cabinet. I'll show you guys everything and how they look once stored away. I think my biggest problem with cookware is that I don't follow the directions of Care. So these are their care instructions, and when you buy their cookware, you'll get this also. Make sure you follow everything just to make the cookware last as long as possible. I was so pleased with the nonstick on this pan. I used it for eggs. Usually eggs, if you do eggs in the morning, you know what I'm talking about. They stick everywhere, but these eggs did not stick at all. I absolutely loved the way that the nonstick worked. So I did eggs, we also did a little bit of bacon, and it was easy cleanup. So I would definitely recommend this cookware, especially if you're looking for something new and fresh for your kitchen. Make sure to check out the link in my description box. That will save you 10% off your purchase with Caraway. This is a whole different day. We're just gonna take it easy. It's a little cold right now, so we're gonna stay home and just kind of see what we do. As we speak, Sergio is actually on his way to our apartment to get a table, like breakfast table and chairs that we got. I'll probably show you guys all of that in the next vlog. Also, if you guys are interested in the Caraway cookware set, I'm gonna leave all the info down in the description below. Make sure to click that link and then you guys can check everything out. They do have cookware, bakeware that you might wanna check out if you guys love baking. Thank you, Caraway, for sponsoring today's video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.